Alright, so it's Monday, December 18, 2017. It's 4:24 p.m. I just got back from school. And I believe my mom told me that after I came back from school, I can clean my air conditioner, our unit. It's a Rheem and NuTone unit. The NuTone is all the way back there because it's way too cramped. So I'm gonna show you, try. Yeah, you can't even see it, but yeah. Remember the last video though, but yeah. It's a 3-ton from the 35th week of 2017. This replaced an old York right here. And it's got a Gentech fan motor, like I said earlier. And a Copeland scroll compressor. So I shut this off because I'm gonna clean this unit today. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Now before we clean this unit, I'm just gonna say that the unit used to be right there because the neighbor lives there, and it's trying to do hard times to get past this unit because this Rheem is too fat or something. It's too big for here. But there used to be a skinny little unit right here. That's a York. It's from 1990. The York was from 1990. It's a 2.5 ton. And you can see the lines from the Rheem right there. You can see it, but you can't see the suction line. All these lines are R410A, so yeah, there's a hole in my wall. So today we're gonna clean the unit. Alright, so I'm just gonna turn on this first. That's what infects. Oh crap, hold on. Hold on. A minute, hold on. Alright. So here we go. This unit's waterproof, don't worry. If you're gonna clean it, let's do it properly. Just to warn you guys. That's to clean the lines and everything. But I never got two air conditioners, so yeah, there's something right there. See if I can clean the back of it. I'm not sure, but I'll see. The NuTone logo is all the way back there. I don't know why I can't reach it, but still. Alright, so I guess I'm done cleaning my unit. I wish I had two air conditioners. The Rheem right there and that NuTone. I like NuTone products too. I wish I had two air conditioners. Now it's already cleaned up. It's time to start this up apparently. Don't worry about it. It's waterproof, so yeah. I guess it's time to start this unit up. You can definitely hear that. Man, these waters are cold. This unit is awesome. It has always been wet. Like it has been been raining sometimes to get this unit. And yeah, I cleaned the lines and everything, but not those lines apparently. But guys, whatever you do not clean the disconnect box. I think you don't. I think you can't clean the disconnect box because I will damage the electricity from the unit. I guess. I don't know. I think that's my opinion. So. Model number is, hold on, let it focus. RA16368J1 and A. Serial number is W351781983. This is from the 37th week of 2017, and that is a 3-ton. So yeah, definitely from August of 2017. This thing has been always sweaty. It's working really fine. So yeah. Last night I woke up. Okay, let me tell you this. Last night I woke up and at 10:22 p.m. I slept at 8 o'clock because I got school tomorrow. But I woke up because the Rheem was making a loud noise. I should have caught that on camera though. Sorry guys, but should have caught that on camera. After it made the noise, after it was done, it gets quieter. The compressor was off. It doesn't make any noise. Only the fan does. See, there might be something wrong with this thing, because I hope not, because this thing is brand new and it's really expensive. It cost me like, it cost my mom like $4,500. So yeah, just to let you know about this, guys. If you try to, if you try to buy this air conditioner, it costs like $4,000. Like, just to let you know, this thing is working really fine. It cools down the house just like the brand new Carrier Comfort series. Like I filmed 2 days ago. The Carrier replaced the 1994 Rheem, and this unit replaced the 2-ton 1990 York. It was really old and it had 4 blades. And I just want to say, this is my face review. You guys ready to see my face? Yeah, you saw it. It's blowing out the air conditioner, so yeah. Oh, this thing's a Protec fan motor as well. The camera is starting to get wet. This thing is a little shaky. Alright, I guess that's it for now. This is my, so yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my brand new 2017. Well, it happened like a few months ago, but anyway, it's a 2017 Rheem NuTone unit, and this thing, it sounded like almost a Nordine, but I pretty much like this product. So yeah, thanks for watching me cleaning my air conditioner. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and share the comments down below. And thanks, and you can thank me for the face review. Over and out.